Have you ever felt pins and needles in your hands or feet that just don't go away? Or a burning sensation that makes simple tasks like walking or holding a cup of tea uncomfortable? These are common signs of nerve damage, and they can slowly take the joy out of everyday life. While medical care is important, many people don't realize that food can play a big role in recovery. Certain foods are rich in nutrients that calm inflammation, protect the coating around your nerves, and even help them grow back stronger. In this video, we'll count down 12 of the best foods for healing nerve damage naturally, and make sure to stay with us until number 1 because it's one of the most effective foods for nerve repair that most people overlook. First on our countdown at number 12 are soy products. Soy foods like tofu, tempeh, and soy milk are often thought of as just protein alternatives, but they offer much more. They contain a natural compound called genistein, which has anti-inflammatory properties and helps protect nerves from further damage. In fact, studies have shown that genistein can reduce nerve pain and improve recovery after injury by lowering inflammation and supporting nerve regeneration. Soy milk also provides magnesium, a mineral that helps calm overactive nerves and improve their function. A small change, like swapping regular milk for fortified soy milk at breakfast or adding tofu to a stir-fry, can give your nerves extra support as they repair. That's one way to protect and calm your nerves, but you also need foods that fuel them with steady energy and the right mix of vitamins and minerals. And that's where the next food on our list comes in. Number 11. Quinoa. Quinoa is often called a superfood grain, though it's technically a seed. It's packed with nutrients like magnesium, potassium, folate, and vitamin B6, all of which are important for keeping nerves healthy. Magnesium helps regulate nerve signals so they don't misfire, while folate supports the repair and growth of nerve cells. On top of that, quinoa is high in fiber, which keeps blood sugar steady. That matters because spikes in blood sugar are one of the main reasons nerve damage develops in people with diabetes. Swapping rice for quinoa at dinner is a simple way to get more of these nerve-friendly nutrients while adding a nutty, light flavor to your meals. Next on our list are sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes aren't just a comfort food, they're also a powerful food for nerve health. They're rich in vitamin A and vitamin C, both of which act as antioxidants. Antioxidants work like shields, protecting nerve cells from damage caused by free radicals. Sweet potatoes also contain natural anti-inflammatory compounds that help calm irritated nerves. On top of that, their fiber helps keep blood sugar steady, giving nerves a steady supply of energy instead of the ups and downs that can make damage worse. Roasting sweet potato wedges with olive oil and herbs is an easy way to enjoy them while giving your nerves the protection they need. Number 9. Walnuts. Walnuts really do live up to their brain-shaped look. They're rich in omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and important minerals like magnesium and copper, all of which support nerve health. Omega-3s act like the insulation around electrical wiring. They help signals travel smoothly along your nerves. Antioxidants in walnuts also fight oxidative stress, which otherwise damages nerve cells and slows down their repair. Some studies suggest that a diet high in walnuts can improve memory and learning, which shows just how much they benefit both the brain and nervous system. Eating them regularly may also help reduce the pain linked to neuropathy, since omega-3s calm inflammation around damaged nerves. A small handful of walnuts each day, either as a snack or sprinkled on salads and oatmeal, is a simple way to fuel nerve repair and keep your nervous system strong. And if walnuts aren't your thing, or you just want more variety, the next food on our list are another powerful way to get nerve-healing nutrients in tiny packages. Number 8. Seeds. Seeds may be small, but when it comes to nerve health, they pack a real punch. Chia seeds, flax seeds, sunflower seeds, and pumpkin seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, magnesium, alpha-lipoic acid, and vitamin E. This combination works together to calm inflammation, protect nerve cells, and repair the myelin sheath, the protective coating that helps nerve signals travel quickly and efficiently. Flax seeds are especially helpful because they protect the myelin sheath from oxidative damage, which is one of the main drivers of nerve problems. Sunflower seeds add vitamin E, which further shields nerves from free radical damage, while pumpkin seeds provide extra magnesium to relax overactive nerves. A simple way to get more of these benefits is by adding chia seeds to yogurt, blending flax seeds into smoothies, or sprinkling pumpkin or sunflower seeds over salads for an easy, nerve-nourishing crunch. Next at number 7. Pomegranates. Pomegranates might not be an everyday fruit in most kitchens, but they're a powerhouse for nerve health. They're rich in polyphenols and antioxidants that reduce oxidative stress and improve blood circulation. Better circulation means more oxygen and nutrients reach damaged nerves, which helps them repair faster. Some research also suggests that pomegranate compounds can reduce inflammation in nerve tissue, making them especially valuable for people dealing with neuropathy. Drinking a small glass of pure pomegranate juice or adding the seeds to salads and yogurt is an easy way to support your nerves while enjoying their sweet tart flavor. Number 6. Low-fat dairy. Low-fat dairy products like milk, yogurt, and cheese provide a solid foundation for nerve health. They're rich in calcium and protein, both of which are essential for smooth nerve signaling and muscle function. Many dairy products are also fortified with vitamin D, which supports the communication between nerves and muscles and may even play a role in protecting against neuropathy. Yogurt brings an extra benefit with its probiotics. These healthy bacteria reduce inflammation in the gut, and a healthier gut often means better absorption of the nutrients nerves need to repair themselves. Starting the day with a bowl of yogurt topped with fruit and chia seeds is a simple way to combine several nerve-friendly foods in one meal. Number 5. Ginger. Ginger isn't just something you add for flavor, it's been used for centuries as a natural remedy, and modern research shows why. Its active compounds, known as gingerols, have powerful anti-inflammatory effects that calm irritated nerves and act as gentle pain relievers. Ginger also boosts circulation, which is important because damaged nerves need a steady supply of oxygen and nutrients to repair themselves. On top of that, ginger supports healthy digestion, which means your body absorbs the vitamins and minerals that nerves rely on more effectively. In fact, research has shown that ginger extracts can help reduce pain and improve nerve function in people with diabetic neuropathy. Whether you sip a warm cup of ginger tea, add it to stir-fries, or use it fresh in smoothies, ginger is one of the easiest ways to give your nerves daily support. Number 4. Leafy green vegetables. Spinach, kale, broccoli, and Swiss chard aren't just good for overall health, they're some of the best foods you can eat for your nerves. They're packed with magnesium, vitamin K, vitamin E, and powerful antioxidants that fight oxidative stress, which is one of the main causes of nerve cell damage. Many leafy greens also contain alpha-lipoic acid, ALA, a compound shown to reduce nerve pain and improve function by protecting nerves from free radical damage. For people with diabetes, leafy greens are especially helpful because they also help stabilize blood sugar, lowering the risk of peripheral neuropathy. Number 3. Lentils. Lentils may be humble, but they're powerful when it comes to nerve health. They're one of the best sources of vitamin B1, also known as thiamine. Thiamine is essential because nerves rely on glucose for energy, and without enough thiamine, they can't use that energy properly. This starvation effect weakens nerves and makes them more vulnerable to damage. In fact, thiamine deficiency has long been linked with peripheral neuropathy, and researchers have found that restoring thiamine levels can improve nerve conduction and reduce symptoms. By adding lentils and other legumes into your diet, you give your nerves the steady fuel they need to function and repair. Number 2. Eggs. Eggs are one of the richest natural sources of vitamin B12, a nutrient that's absolutely vital for nerve health. B12 helps rebuild the myelin sheath, the protective coating that surrounds nerves and keeps signals moving quickly and accurately. Without enough B12, nerves can become damaged, leading to numbness, tingling, and even long-term neuropathy. According to a review published in Cureus in 2022, vitamin B12 deficiency is one of the most common nutritional causes of nerve damage, and restoring healthy levels can significantly improve nerve regeneration and function. Including eggs regularly in your diet is a simple way to give your nerves the raw material they need to repair. Number 1. Fatty fish. At the very top of the list are fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, sardines, and tuna. These fish are rich in vitamin B12, vitamin D, and omega-3 fatty acids, nutrients that work together to protect and repair nerves. Omega-3s in particular act like insulation around your nerve wiring, helping signals travel smoothly while also calming inflammation that can damage nerve cells. Vitamin B12 supports the rebuilding of the myelin sheath, and vitamin D helps nerves communicate properly with muscles. According to research published in the International Journal of Molecular Sciences in 2021, omega-3 fatty acids play a key role in nerve regeneration and protecting against further nerve injury. Eating fatty fish a couple of times a week is one of the most effective ways to give your nerves the tools they need to heal and stay strong. So there you have it, 12 powerful foods that help heal nerve damage naturally. Adding more of these to your daily meals can reduce pain, restore nerve function, and protect your nervous system for years to come. Which of these foods do you already eat regularly? Share your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. And if you want to learn more natural ways to support your nerves, don't miss our video on 10 healing oils that support nerve repair and pain relief. You can watch it right here. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future health tips. And if you'd like to support the channel, you can check out our merch linked below or use the Super Thanks button right under the video. Thanks for watching and have a healthy and happy day.